Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. For most of the day, not so much now, but for much of the day, it had been kind of off and on breezy. Almost metronomic, I think. I probably almost could have guessed when a particular breeze would give up and when a new breeze would show up. It was like, watching waves come in. But it turned me onto a notion. I'm actually kind of glad the wind has died down now, so the wind noise isn't going to be in the microphone. But the idea is to consider the idea of movement within stillness, stillness within movement. And we often hear phrasings like this in the Tàijíquán community, move like a river, sit like a mountain, feel the river within the mountain within the river, that sort of thing. And it's generally meant to be, and I think it's completely fair and reasonable, and probably is the intent, to talk about the body and the inside of the body. So even though there's movement of the body, there's a stillness of the spirit or the mind or the soul or something like that. So great, fantastic. Stick with that, do that. But I kind of enjoy thinking about fractally as well. So when the air is still, and this is the Tai Chi tip, consider practicing your Tàijíquán form, so that I am the movement within that stillness. See if you can feel how you relate to that stillness, noting that you don't have feathers, so you don't have the same sensitivity to the air as a bird might, right? And then when the wind picks up, hold the posture that you find yourself in and be the stillness within the movement. Be sensitive to the breeze. And then, as happened today, then the wind passed, the wind died, the air stilled. I then become the stillness for that movement. So it's too hard for you to just stop anywhere, like when you have your foot up or something. You could just go to the very next place that you could hold still and sort of take the wind coming up as your cue and to find a place of stillness and enjoy that. So thank you very much. And make sure you thank your students.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.